All of these statements being made, Rahul Gandhi has now tweeted and he has in fact reiterated the same unity pitch that he has been making. Let me quickly go across to my colleague Swati, who's getting us more on this. Swati, what's the tweet that Rahul Gandhi has made?
Family of martyr Lieutenant Narwal, and Rahul Gandhi in this particular post is talking about his interaction with the family members. Remember, Lieutenant Vinay Narwal was with his wife Himanshi and other tourists in Pahalgam on the day of the attack, and during that attack he was martyred. Now this is what Rahul Gandhi says. Pahalgam हमले में शहीद हुए लेफ्टिनेंट विनय नरवाल जी के शोकाकुल परिवार से मिलकर उनका दुख बांटा, उन्हें सांत्वना दी। अपार दुख में भी उनका हौसला और साहस देश के लिए एक संदेश है, हमें एकजुट रहना है। राहुल गांधी says we have to remain united, and this courage and bravery is something that he saw in the family members of Lieutenant Vinay Narwal. He then goes on to say पूरा देश शहीदों के परिवारों के साथ खड़ा है, सरकार को विपक्ष का पूरा समर्थन है, गुनहगारों को ऐसी सजा मिले कि कोई हिंदुस्तान की ओर आंख उठाने की जरूरत न करे। पीड़ित परिवारों के साथ पूरा देश आज
Swati, so Rahul Gandhi once again reiterating the fact that the opposition stands solidly with the government, but clearly Niyamika, my colleague, is with us on the broadcast. Niyamika, clearly his words are not reflected in the action of his party's leaders, whether it's somebody like Ajay Rai or his own Congress party chief Mallikarjun Kharge. They've been questioning the centre when Rahul Gandhi has been reiterating the fact that the opposition will stand solidly with the government in this time of crisis.
Well, indeed, if we talk about the top brass of the Congress party, then clearly they are again and again giving this particular message that we are standing with the government. Whatever action is going to be taken by the government of India, we are going to support them. And for that reason, we have seen that this time it is Rahul Gandhi. Earlier, it was Priyanka Gandhi Vadra who have mentioned about this same line which is being chosen by the Congress party even during the time when the CWC had also passed a resolution. And in fact, a notice was also being issued to all the Congress members that they should stick to the official party line, as the Congress Working Committee has decided to support the government of India into this entire matter. But on the other side, this time it is the Congress President, Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, who has raised a question upon Prime Minister Narendra Modi in this regard, as he had stated by quoting some of the news reports, saying that he had also got this information that some intel inputs were being given to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and that is the only reason why he had cancelled his visit to Jammu Kashmir. But he has also questioned Prime Minister Narendra Modi by saying that why no preparedness was being done when he was having that particular intel input, and that is the reason why he had cancelled his own visit. Then why no security forces were being deployed there, why the local police officers were not being informed about this entire matter, and because of that only so many people have lost their lives. So clearly the Congress party is choosing their words very wisely, as on one side they are maintaining their stand that we are standing with the government of India, we are going to support the government of India, but on the other side the politics is also going on. They are continuously questioning the ruling BJP, as that particular concern was also being raised in the all-party meeting. If you remember, the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha as well as in Rajya Sabha, both of these leaders were being there, and soon after that particular meeting, it was a statement which was being given by Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge that the government of India has accepted that there was a security lapse, there was an intelligence failure, and that is the reason why this concern was also being raised by the opposition parties, that what all actions are going to be taken by the government of India to give a strong reply to Pakistan, and that is what they are repeating this time as well, because this question was also being raised by Times Now in today's press conference of Ms. Supriya Sheth, and she has also retaliated the Congress party's stand that we demand a strong action upon Pakistan, and this is something which the government of India itself has accepted, that there was a security lapse, and that is the reason why today Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge has given this statement.
Right, Niyamika, you mentioned Supriya Sheth. Let's quickly